Hey guys, I'm Bass.
I'm Tyler.
In this video, we're going over group pairing of the GTX.
Hey guys, I'm Will, and in the next part of this video, you're going to watch two different pairing processes. In the first pairing process, you can use that to pair 2 units, 3 units, or 4 units together. In the second pairing process, for large group pairing, you can pair any amount of devices from 5 all the way up to 10, with 10 being the limit. I hope this helps.
Here's how to pair 2 to 4 GTXs.
To start, you'll want to power on the units.
Once you have all 4 units powered on, to clear the previous pairing settings, you want to press and hold both volume buttons.
Next, you'll want to place into pairing mode by pressing the intercom button.
Once you have all 4 units in pairing mode, you want to press the intercom button on one unit to make it search.
And that's how you pair up to 4 units.
Here's how to pair 5 to 10 GTXs.
To start, you'll want to power on all the units.
Once you have all 10 units powered on, you want to press and hold both volume buttons to reset all previous pairing settings.
Next, you'll want to place into large group pairing mode by pressing and holding the volume button down.
Once you have all units in large group pairing, you want to press and hold the intercom button to place in pairing mode.
Next, you'll want to press the intercom button to search.
You want to give it a few minutes to let it find each unit. And then once you have all units stop blinking, you want to press the intercom button to test if the intercom is connected. And that's how you pair 10 GTXs.